Gurubhyo Namaha students. I am Mrs. Srividya from Pon Vidyashram. Hope you would have enjoyed the session 1. Let us now recap the session 1. We read about heterotrophs and we had learnt about holozoid nutrition. What is holozoid nutrition? Animals which take in solid food items like fruits, vegetables, etc. is called as holozoid nutrition. What are the 5 steps involved in holozoid nutrition? Ingestion, digestion, absorption, assimilation and digestion. And also we read about the nutrition in amoeba, which is holozoic, and we read about the interesting concepts in paramecium and multicellular organisms. We are going to study the digestive system in humans today in detail. And also in the previous session we read about Hydra in detail and we read the different organism, how it procures food. Now can you see this picture? It's a human digestive system. Before we go in depth into it, what do you mean by digestion? It's a second life process. The process of breaking down of complex carbohydrate starch into simpler form sugar is called as digestion. Nutrition in human beings is holozoic, and the digestion is so complex phenomenon because it involves various organs for digestion. Not like amoeba, a single cell performing all the steps. So let us go in detail about this human digestive system. Can you see this picture? A long tube which is running from mouth to the anus, that is called as alimentary canal or the digestive tract. Today's session we are going to discuss about 3 organs: tongue, teeth and mouth. Can you see this picture in the slide? Students, please practice this diagram, which will be more useful for your exam and also in the future classes. The main parts of the alimentary canal are mouth, buccal cavity, food pipe, esophagus, we will be discussing in the next session, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, rectum and anus. The main glands are salivary gland, liver and pancreas. The alimentary canal and the glands together is called as the digestive system. Today we will be discussing about this salivary gland. Hope everybody would have seen this picture, what it depicts. You can see here the salivary gland, esophagus, stomach, liver, small intestine, large intestine and everything, which we will be discussing in the upcoming sessions. Now we are going to discuss about tongue. Tongue is a flesh muscular organ attached to the back to the floor of the buccal cavity. The main functions of the tongue are helps in mixing saliva with food, helps in swallowing the food, it tells the taste of the food, it helps in speaking. The tongue has small taste buds on its surface. The taste buds in a location detect a particular taste. Location of buds that detect different tastes are shown in this slide. Can you able to see this activity? Prepare solutions of sugar, common salt, lemon juice, juice of neem leaves or the bitter gourd. Use a clean toothpick and put each solution one by one on different areas of tongue. Mark the areas of the tongue which could detect sweet, salty, bitter and sour substance. Here you know which is bitter. Bitter gourd, neem leaves. So, lemon juice obviously. Salty, from the word you get the meaning common salt. Sweet, sugar. So, in our day-to-day life, that is every day, we taste with the help of the taste buds, we taste each one of this: sour, salty, sweet, bitter. Now let us discuss the mouth and buccal cavity. The food is taken into the body through the mouth. Taking in food is called ingestion. In the mouth, the food is broken down into small pieces by the teeth. About the teeth, we will be discussing in the next slide. The mouth has salivary glands. which secretes saliva. So, what is the function of saliva? It helps in chewing and also it will lubricate the food. The saliva breaks down starch into sugars. What is the enzyme present there? Amylase. What is an enzyme? Enzyme is the chemical substance which speeds up the rate of the chemical reactions. So, you can able to see in this picture the mouth, the saliva, how it mixes the food. The tongue helps to mix the food. Now, let us see about the teeth. In humans, teeth grow twice in their lifetime. First set of 20 teeth appears by the age of 2 years. These teeth are called milk teeth. These milk teeth fall off one by one and a new set of 32 permanent teeth is formed by the age of 12. There are 3 types of teeth: incisors, canines, premolars and molars. Incisors helps in biting and cutting the food. Canines help in piercing and tearing the food. And premolars and molars help in chewing and grinding the food. Can you able to see this box? Type of teeth. Number of teeth? Total. Incisors. Lower jaw we have 4. Upper jaw we have 4. Total 8. Canines. Lower jaw 2. Upper jaw 2. Total 4. Premolars and molars. 10 in the lower jaw. Upper jaw 10. Totally 20. Now let us study about the tooth decay. Normally bacteria are present in our mouth but they are not harmful to us. However, if we do not clean our teeth and mouth after eating, many harmful bacteria also begin to live and grow in it. These bacteria break down the sugars present from the leftover food and release acids. The acids gradually damage the teeth. This is called tooth decay. If it is not treated in time, it causes severe toothache and in extreme cases results in tooth loss. You can see in the slide, bacteria together with food remains forming plague. Bacteria produce acid. What does an acid mean? It is a hydrochloric acid which dissolves the enamel of the tooth. How can you prevent the tooth decay? Having a balanced diet. Include calcium, phosphorus and vitamin D. Adding fluoride in water to strengthen the enamel of our teeth. Not chlorine which kills the bacteria and water. That is for water, not for the humans. Avoid sugary food like chocolates and drink between meals. So, chocolates, sweets, soft drinks and other sugars or the sugar products, they are the major culprits of tooth decay. How can you prevent the tooth decay? Brush our teeth at least twice a day. Replace your toothbrush when it wears out. Do not bite hard materials. Have a dental checkup at least once a year and you have to brush your teeth at least twice a day after every meal. Also, one should not put dirty fingers or any unwashed objects in the mouth. From this, you can avoid your tooth decay. Does the acid take place in causing tooth decay? Actually, the acid produced by bacteria in the mouth is not very strong. Can you able to see in this picture? Using the scraper and the forceps, tooth covered with wax, it is dropped in dilute hydrochloric acid. Tooth decay is due to bad habits over a period of time. That is, one should not put dirty hands or unwashed object in the mouth. And also, eating habits also plays a vital role here. Chocolates, sweets, soft drinks and other sugar products are the major culprits of tooth decay. What are the foods if you take, you can get rid of this tooth decay having a balanced diet. Now, let us have the interesting activity session. Effect of saliva on starch. Take 2 test tubes. One test tube, take a boiled rice. The another test tube, your chewed rice. And add iodine solution to both the test tubes. You know, for testing of starch, we use major chemical as iodine solution. when you add iodine solution to chewed food, it will not turn into blue black. But in boiled rice, it will turn into blue black because the food which is before chewing, it is rich with starch. So it turns blue black in color. The chewed food broke down the starch into sugar. So it does not show the color change. From this, we conclude that the enzyme amylase converts the starch-rich food into simple sugar. Now you have an interesting small assignment for you which I had discussed in the before slides. Look into your mirror. Use the index finger and feel the teeth. Count the number of incisors, canines, premolars and molars and note down this. You know already I said incisors helps in cutting or biting the food and tearing the food by canines, and premolars, what it does it? Chewing and grinding the food. And molars, what is that? It helps in chewing and grinding the food. Hope students enjoyed this session. Please make use of all these assignments. Let us discuss about the other parts in human digestive system in the upcoming session. Thank you.